Hello and welcome to All Taste German. In this video I will show you how to make German cabbage rolls. Depending on the region, they are called Krautwickel or Kohlrouladen in Germany. Let me show you the steps to make your homemade cabbage rolls like at good old Oma's house. Cut the core out of the cabbage and add it with salt to the pot. Cook for about 5 minutes until you can pull the outer leaves easily away. Peel and cube the onion. Slice the bacon finely. Then break the bread slices into a small bowl and cover them with warm milk. Add the ground meat to a large bowl and then add the eggs, pepper, salt, ground marjoram, paprika powder, mustard, garlic paste and the onions. Squeeze the excess milk from the bread and add the bread to the other ingredients. You can discard the milk. Mix everything briefly, add the breadcrumbs and mix until everything is well combined. Form small oblong patties. Spread the leaves to a clean kitchen towel to cool out. Wrap the patties with the pre-cooked cabbage leaves and secure the ends with a toothpick. Heat the Butterschmalz and oil on medium heat. Then add the bacon and brown it for a couple of minutes. Add the cabbage rolls and brown them on all sides. Add the broth and the heavy whipping cream to the pot. Sprinkle with caraway seeds and simmer covered for about 20 to 30 minutes. Remove the cabbage rolls from the pot and set them aside. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Mix the cold water with the cornstarch and add it to the pot as well. Now add the cabbage rolls to the pot and let simmer for an additional 10 minutes. Serve with rice or Salzkartoffeln. You will find the recipe for Salzkartoffeln in the description. Guten Appetit!